everyone, tonight we're going to be making oven fried chicken. That's exactly what you heard, oven fried chicken. So what you'll need is obviously some chicken. I've got some chicken drumsticks there, some plain flour, some chicken salt, some paprika, some curry powder, and in a tray a little bit of olive oil I've put, and some butter. So what I want to do is take this and put it into my oven whilst I'm preparing everything, because I want to get this nice and hot. And then we'll start the process. Okay, in a plastic bag I've combined all of my dry ingredients. So there's nothing left there, really. And what I'm going to be able to do then is I'm going to mix this all up and put my chicken into there. So then that way it coats nice and evenly whilst my pan's getting nice and hot. And all of the information in terms of what you need, the ingredients, the method, etc. will be in the description below. It's a really simple dish and it's ready in about 40 minutes. Okay, I've mixed all my ingredients together. Now, simply going to throw my chicken in. Like I said, my butter and oils in the oven, getting nice and warm. I want to get nice and hot because I want this to start frying as soon as I put this in. So just saves getting your fingers all sticky and dirty, and the flour gets all nice and evenly mixed through. So then that way all of the chicken wings, and notice I'm not putting any oil or anything on the chicken wings, literally just flour. So when it's done, how good's that? Nice and even, all of them. Okay, now I'm going to get my tray. It should be nice and hot. So now I put my chicken onto the tray. As you can see, nicely evenly done, all of it. And this is going to go into the oven, and in about 20 or so minutes, 25 minutes, I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to give it all one quick turn so they cook nice and even. And remember the secret ingredient, still hasn't oxidized. And 40 minutes later, oven fried chicken. Like I said, you've got to flip it around once, about 20-25 minutes into it. And we've also got the homemade wedges. Enjoy, everyone.